In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the available storage on your Google Drive. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to easily navigate your drive and understand exactly how much space you've used and how much you have left. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Drive in your web browser, so head over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. You should see your Google Drive homepage with all your files and folders neatly organized. If you aren't logged in, you'll be prompted to do so, so go ahead and enter your credentials to proceed. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll notice a panel with different options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and others. What we are focusing on today is the Storage option. This option is quite easy to spot and it's located towards the lower section of this left side panel. Go ahead and click on Storage. Once you click on Storage, the main area of your screen will shift to display detailed information about your drive's current usage. You'll see a bar at the top, which is an easy visual representation of how much storage you've used compared to your total allotted space. The bar might be colored differently depending on how full your drive is. Sometimes it's a calming grey, but if you're nearing full capacity, it might even turn slightly red. Just a friendly nudge from Google to consider cleaning up a bit. Below this bar, you'll find specifics about your file usage. This includes information on which files are taking up the most space. It's organized in a list format, starting with the largest files on top. Take a moment to scroll through, and you might be surprised at some of the sizable files you've forgotten about. This is a really handy feature if you're trying to free up space by deleting or moving some oversized files. While checking your available storage, it's a good idea to also consider if you want to organize your files or maybe delete something you no longer need. Google Drive's interface allows you to easily right-click on any file to get options such as Remove, which will send the file to your trash. Remember, files in your trash still occupy space, so you might want to clear out the trash periodically to truly free up space. Lastly, if you find you're consistently running out of room, remember Google offers upgrade options for additional storage. You can explore those by clicking on the Buy Storage link that's often nearby. This can be a lifesaver if you extensively use Drive for storing media files or collaborative projects. And there you have it. Checking your available storage on Google Drive is a straightforward process. With just a few clicks, you can stay on top of your storage needs and manage your files effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing.